Mates, hope everyone's doing well. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. We are going to talk about Matic really quickly because we're following up on our videos from last week, which set the stage for this move in the altcoins using correlation to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Matic was one of the ones we focused on. If it could break that 92-cent resistance level and basically defeat the rising wedge pattern that had been developing, okay, in the asset, we would see Matic open up and experience some momentum, and that is what we have seen. So well done for those people who traded Matic at 70 cents and 80 cents to break that 92-cent resistance level. That was a critical resistance barrier for Matic Polygon to break, and it has broken that and has filled the areas that we talked about last week. So let's open this up. We are on the 1 hour. We're on the Bityard exchange, bityard.com. Highly recommend it for your altcoins that are not on Bex Plus. Obviously, Bityard allows you to designate the leverage you would like to use in a lot of the assets. You also can spot trade on Bityard. But here we go. This is from last week we talked about. Filling 83 cents first, right? Then filling that 95-cent level. Okay, because that would be above that 92. We would have confirmed above that 92 cent barrier, right? And then we would see us move higher. And then the goal was to fill the first major resistance level above that 92-cent area was 106. We have gotten above 106 now. But look, this is on the 1 hour. We've gone through 3 hours of red sticks here right at 106. Okay, because that is a significant resistance area. And what we talked about is if we could fill this, if we could fill it, okay, then we would to test the 114 level. Now, this is what's critical for Matic, mates. If we can break through this 116 level, okay, on the Matic chart, on a larger time frame, hold it at the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame, okay, we likely run to 155, 160. Okay. That's likely what is going to happen. Now, we've experienced an elevated RSI here on the 1 hour at 85, which is why we began to see a little bit of profit taking here. We've kind of bounced back down to that 68 level, and we're kind of bouncing right here. Okay. Still positive, still looking to test, break through, hold 106, but test 114. That's really what we need to see for Matic to really have a major move breaking out. Okay, it's already had a great move. I know people are up 200%, 237%, I think was the last one I saw on the entry from the low 90s, breaking it out. And that's what you want to locate. You want to locate on these charts and on these on-chain metrics, supply and demand barriers, critical levels that you can play either sell or buy. So buy up or sell down on that critical level because you know something major is going to happen at that level because so many active addresses have either accumulated the asset or have sold the asset in the past. So it creates a psychological barrier for traders. And remember, you're trading behavior. So when it gets to that level, you then are going to see a flop. You now have more people in the money in Matic than you had 2 weeks ago because it declined so far, okay? And so now you have more people back in the money. And when you're in the money, you're more apt to hodl, okay? If you're a spot trader, you're more apt to hodl it, right? And so you're not in the market selling. So the price isn't going to take that much of a move, okay? And the people that are now coming in are now buying higher than what you accumulated it at. And that is basically how you play those critical resistance levels. Now, 114 is the next level coming up. If we open this to the 4 hour, maybe I'm going to get another little insight here. And I'll open this up really quickly. And you can see where we are, okay? And so, again, high elevated RSI. But well done, well played, Matic.